Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will discuss on a program that I wrote several, I would not say several years ago, but quite some time, about bank operations using object-oriented programming principles in C++. But don't worry, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. We will just have a walkthrough of the portion of the code. Okay, so basically we have here several library files that we use. This one, IOStream, is very basic for input-output basic commands in C++. And then we have another library file, IOmanip. When we say IOmanip, input-output manipulator. We will be using this library file in C++ for 2 decimal places later on in our program. So here I declare a class, bank account, private. I have a variable balance, public. So we have several functions here. This one will display the deposit, accumulator, balance plus equals amount, new balance, invalid deposit amount if it's not correct. And then in a bank operation we have basic, deposit, and we have also withdrawal. If amount, conditional statement, greater than 0 and amount less than or equal to balance, we have some deduction because it is already withdrawal. As I said earlier, the IOmanip can be used. We use this here, fix, set precision to, because we want 2 decimal places. Fix, new balance, invalid withdrawal, get balance, another method to get the balance. So int main, it is a function that will be the starting point of every C++ program execution. Bank account, in choice, double, and then we have here what you call this, while loop statement, infinite loop. So we have basic bank operations in our program: deposit money, option 1, option 2, withdraw money, 3, check balance, and then 4, quit program. So using if statement, so we have here 1 for deposit, withdrawal, get balance. In exiting our program, it will inform the user, thank you for using this program, invalid choice. If the choice cannot be found in 4 choices, it will display here, and then it will return to our menu. So close, return 0, return to our operating system. In this case I'm using Windows 11, and then close. As I said earlier, don't worry, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my 2 websites. Okay, let us go with our editor, code blocks. Let us run the program. Okay, it's running right now. Bank account main menu. The first thing that we will do is to deposit money. Select 1, press enter key from our keyboard, enter amount. Let's say we have 10,000 pesos. Okay, so we have new balance 10,000 pesos. Number 2, we need to withdraw money. So let's say we have here 3,500 pesos. So the withdraw amount is 3,500 pesos. The new balance will be 6,500. And then check balance 3. So the current balance we have is 6,500. 4, we want to quit our program. Okay, exiting, thank you for using this program, press any key to continue, return to our editor. So how about that we type 5 is not belongs from 1 2 3 4. So our program will repeat the process using the while loop statement, invalid choice. Let's try again. Let's say we have y, try again. It errors. So that's it guys. That's the basic of our bank operations in C++ programming language. Thank you so much for your time listening in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.